chart and just go back a little bit just to see and get an idea of what the stock's been doing. And then the final step, step 6, is go and search the company in the news. I mean, go into Yahoo Finance and go on to CNBC and see what people are writing about it. See what people are saying about it. I mean, you'll find often penny stocks are up and coming hotshot companies, and they are in the news. And often when they make big moves is when they get picked up by major companies. So this is such an important step. You've got to go and have a look at what people are saying. If people are writing about it, then obviously there's interest in it. And if they're saying bad things about it, then it's probably not a good idea. If people are tipping it off, and if respectable sites like Yahoo and CNBC are reporting on it, then chances are that it might be a good investment. Now, I mean, if you just follow these 6 steps, they're pretty simple, and I know I make it sound very simple, but it really is. It's hard work. Okay, there's no one said it's going to be easy. You really have to understand that the whole idea of sitting on your butt and having money roll in is just an illusion. Trading is hard work, and especially penny trading. It's you're going to have to look at a lot of stocks. And just to give you an example, Robert Kiyosaki wrote about this in I think the book is called Rich Dad's Guide to Investing or something like that. But in the book he said, if you want to make a good investment, you got to look at 100 deals if you want to buy just one. And that's very true. With penny stocks, you're going to have to look at a lot of stocks. You're going to have to run all those steps through them, and each step is going to filter out some of them until you eventually find that one. And that's why I call it the DIR method. And it basically stands for diamond in the rough, because that's exactly what finding good penny stocks is all about. So you're going to have to look at a lot of stocks, and I would suggest at first at least you follow that process. You got to learn how to look for these stocks and where to find them. And as you get a little bit more experienced, I would suggest that you start using stock screeners. I mean, not only this is going to save you a ton of work, but I mean, I think there's a lot of benefits to it. Not only does it screen stocks for you, but it really gives you a more scientific sort of approach to it all. I mean, obviously, stock screeners there's so many of them, and they all use different methods. But I think in general, they are experienced traders that that they have some level of knowledge at least, for the most of them. But as I said, there's a lot of rubbish ones out there. But you gotta just use common sense. Don't let your emotions run away with you. But the fact remains that it takes a lot of the grunt work out of it, but it also gives you an expert opinion. And I think you need all the help you can get with penny stocks, even if these stock screeners are just going to help you get ideas. Get the ideas and then run them through your own filter. Run them through these 6 steps, see if it meets the criteria. Now, in the previous video, I told you about Microcap Millionaires, which is I've been using it for a couple of months now, and it's pretty good. And the reason why I'm saying it's good, it's mostly because I think the guy that runs it is really aimed at educating. I mean, I think you gotta learn how these things work. And Matt not only gives you stock picks, but he explains it to you. He does some great videos. He does these live screencasts on the internet. If all the members phone in, you can dial in and you can ask questions. So the whole education side of it's really great. And then apart from that, obviously, you get his expert opinion, which is absolutely priceless, and his stock picks are fantastic. And you know, he takes a lot of the guesswork out of it. So you know, if you, I suggest go and check it out. You know, if it looks like something that you might be interested in, go for it. I don't think it can hurt you in any way. I think it can definitely help you. And you know, once again, make sure that you know, you're responsible for your own trading. You know, take all the advice you get, but in the end, you're the one making the decisions. And yeah, hopefully this is going to help you. You know, it's a short little video. I ran through these steps quite quickly. I hope you'll go and check out Matt's site at if you go to tradingwiz.info/microcap, it should take you to Matt's site. What I might do is I might put these 6 steps into a PDF and load it up onto the website. But for now, I'm a little bit busy. But yeah, hopefully this video helped you, give you some ideas of how to pick penny stocks properly. And I wish you all the best with your trading. See ya. Bye.